and welcome to Time Travel Tuesday. My name is Lisa. I'm one of the interpreters here at Historic Rattonsville, and today I am making gingerbread cookies. The recipe is from Kentucky Housewife, which is, I believe, 1837, and this is common gingerbread. There are also other kinds of gingerbread recipes in here, but I'm just making the common kind today. So I've got my butter in my molasses. And I've got my buttermilk, which needs a little bit of baking soda, which they call pearl ash, dissolved in it. A little tiny bit. And then that also goes in here. A teacup of powdered ginger, which is about 4 ounces, which is what I've got over here. And enough flour to make it a common dough, however much that will be. We're adding enough flour to make a common dough. That is one of those directions that you get from a historic cookbook that you go, what is a common dough? And we're gonna wing it. That is not a common dough yet. Not thick enough. About 3/4 of an inch thick. Now our instructions tell us to stamp it with a cake print. I am not entirely sure what a cake print is. This is a butter mold, but it seems to do the same thing. Probably should have floured that first. There's a cookie. And I don't know if I like it with the cookie press or not. Might just make regular cookies with the rest of them. These are our first 4 cookies. The recipe actually says to use a well-buttered iron pan, I believe. But I have a tin plate and I have parchment paper, which they did have back then. I'll just sprinkle a little brown sugar on top of them. Probably less than that. And then they are ready to go in the oven. So here's our first batch of cookies. You can see where we stamped the star in it, it's not there anymore. Thank you for joining us for Time Travel Tuesday, and tune in next week to see what else we're up to.